The Tahoe City Public Utility District was originally founded in 1938 to take over the original water system in downtown Tahoe City. Since that time, we've taken on wastewater collection for the community and parks and recreation services. We serve about a 31 square mile service area that extends from the west shore of Lake Tahoe all the way up to the north shore of Lake Tahoe. Over the years, we've taken on a lot of issues that are important to our community, and this issue around protecting the community from wildfire is really important to our board of directors and our community.
The advocacy efforts for this issue started back in 2007 with the Angora fire. That fire hit South Lake Tahoe and destroyed 258 homes. What we realized from that incident was that the water infrastructure was not sufficient enough to provide water to fight that fire. Since then, a partnership was formed with basin water agencies and local land managers and the U.S. Forest Service to get funding into the basin to make improvements in the water system.
So we're here in Homewood on the west shore of Lake Tahoe in a water system that was formerly owned by a private water company. The Tahoe City PUD acquired this system in 2018 and is slowly working our way through making infrastructure improvements. This is an example of one of the few existing fire hydrants that was originally constructed in this water system. It's very likely that because of the underground infrastructure being insufficient in size, that this fire hydrant does not meet modern fire flow or duration standards.
We're here at the site of the Washoe fire that occurred in 2007. It came up this hill from a community down below in Sunnyside. The Washoe fire followed the Angora fire, which was a massive fire that devastated South Lake Tahoe.
You can see the density of the forest that our community exists within as you look out over the lake here. Coupled with the density of the forest is the health of the forest. And so you can kind of see some of the standing dead trees surrounding our entire community.
The reason that it's important to combine forest management with water infrastructure improvements is that it allows the fire as it comes into the community to reduce in intensity. That allows firefighters to enter the community. And then the water supplied by the water system allows firefighters to put out spot fires. And that is what actually protects the homes. We quickly realized that it was not a Lake Tahoe issue, it's a Western States issue. And so we worked on legislative tours. We visited the state capitol in Sacramento. We made trips to DC and also worked with local state coalitions.
We're proud that the results of this advocacy have led to some funding coming into the basin through the federal government.
For the first time that we're aware of, water infrastructure for fire suppression projects are now eligible and funded through the Lake Tahoe Restoration Act.
We're really excited about the partnerships that were formed during the advocacy that we did over this past year, especially with the California Special Districts Association and the National Special Districts Coalition. Both of those partners really helped us bring attention to this issue, both at the state and federal level. When we found out we won this outreach award, we were very excited and proud. Staff have put in a tremendous amount of work to try to bring attention to this really important issue for our community. So we're really honored to be recognized for the work that our staff and our partners have put into raising awareness on this issue.